Today I'm selling a gorgeous Argus C3 camera. This vintage camera is just in remarkable condition, and you can obviously tell it wasn't used very much. It's just pristine. If you look at this, just the condition, it's just gorgeous. I mean, museum quality, it's just absolutely fantastic. So it's got a lens made in the USA, and I'll try to get you some of the reading on it. It says coated Centaur, and Argus 50mm f3.5. When you open the back, I've already undone the latch. It's just in remarkable condition. I mean, you can, and this thing just reeks of not having been used. So the case is really nice as well. This is the bottom portion, brown leather. And here's the top portion. The stitching's perfect. It's brown leather. On the inside, it's got that label. It's just remarkable. So anyways, this is being listed on eBay, and good luck. I hope this does something for you. I did compare them to other listings, and this one seems to be in the best condition. So if you're looking for one of these, I'm sure you'd be happy. Thank you.